Hello everyone, I am Prerana, an analyst here at UK Property Accountants. Are changes to farm inheritance tax putting family farms in danger? Well, thousands of farmers seem to think so. They took to the streets in London this week to voice their concerns. The farmers argue that these new rules will threaten family farms and food security in the country. Let us look at the changes around farm inheritance tax. Inheritance tax or IHT is a big deal for farmers. Since 1992, agricultural property relief known as APR has allowed family farms to be passed down tax-free. The rationale was that this would help secure the UK's food supply. But now, changes announced in the Autumn Budget 2024 are stirring up concerns. Starting April 2026, the full inheritance tax relief will apply only to the first £1 million of farm and business property. Any value above that will face a 20% tax rate, which can be paid off interest-free over 10 years. This came from the UK Autumn Budget 2024 announced by Chancellor Rachel Reeves. But critics aren't convinced. Critics argue the 500 farm estimate overlooks the combined £1 million limit for agricultural property relief APR and business property relief BPR, with assets like machinery reducing exemptions. The Treasury lacks data on BPR claims, making the true impact unclear. Meanwhile, farmers and agricultural valuers warn that the IHT changes could hurt food-producing farms while helping smaller estates with rented land. They highlight that 66% of UK farms are worth over £1 million. So, many farmers and farm owners may feel the heat. So, are there better ways? Some suggest we look to France, the only European country fully self-sufficient in food, where farm tax relief is tied to active land management. Others propose separating APR and BPR thresholds to reduce the burden. And then there's the big idea, a 2% wealth tax on assets above £10 million, which could raise £24 billion a year without hitting everyday farmers. The farm inheritance tax changes starting in 2026 have farmers fearing for the future of family-run operations. Though the government insists only a few wealthy estates will feel the pinch, critics worry that many other farms could also be impacted. The 2026 farm inheritance tax changes have sparked fears among farmers about the future of family farms. While the government insists only wealthy estates will be affected, critics warn many more farms could face challenges. Balancing public funding needs with protecting agriculture requires a fair solution. Remember, if you're concerned about how these changes could affect you, UK Property Accountants is here to help. We offer a free 15-minute discovery call where our experienced advisors share insights and explain how our services can help you achieve your property goals. Thanks for watching.